Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this Golden Goddess Smoky Eye using the new Empowered Palette by Huda Beauty. I love this palette. It is full of these warm tones and cool tones and golds, and I was super inspired to create a gold smoky eye goddess inspired eye look. So be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I will have all the products linked below, and we'll jump right into the tutorial. So first I'm gonna warm up my crease with the shade Best Self. It's this really nice peachy matte shade. I am using an ARIEL A11. I'm gonna tap off the excess and then hold my brush at the end here so I have the best blending ability. I'm gonna blend that right into my crease, which is this brow bone fold right here, and that can be different on everybody. Just look ahead and follow where your iris is, what touches back and hits your bone, and that is your crease. It could be really low, it could be really high, but this is going to help define and sculpt out that area to give you more definition and a 3D effect. And these eyeshadows are so pigmented and amazing that I literally already have this nice blended out crease area. Literally cannot say enough good things about this Huda Beauty palette. I have many tutorials using this palette, and I will have them linked below along with all the products that I'm using in this tutorial. And this is just hands down amazing palette. This is an eye tutorial I filmed earlier using the Too Faced Born This Way palette. I will have that linked below as well. So just like that, I was able to carve out my crease. It's nice and defined with this matte orange crease, and that literally took like 10 seconds. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with the shade Get It. It's more of a, it's almost the same, honestly, a little bit more true orange. To tap off the excess, hold my brush at the end here, and blend that out, creating this very orangey crease area. I personally love orange tones. My wife loves cool tones, and every time I do her makeup, she's always like, please don't make me orange. But I'm like, it's not called orange, it's called warm toned, and I just like the way it looks on me. She has a really nice round eyes, and cool tones look good on her, but for me, I prefer more orange tones, more warm tone. On an ARIEL A20 brush like this, it's flat and then it's got this tapered tip. It's like a flat blending brush. By the way, these ARIEL Morphe brushes are amazing. They're kind of pricey. I'll have them linked below, but they're well worth it. I'm gonna pick up this cool tone. It's a Rebel. I love mixing cool and warm tones together. A nice mauve brown matte shade, tapping off the excess, holding my brush on the end here, and then I'm going to define my crease even more. Really shaping out my crease here. Loving the way these are looking together. I'm really getting that shadow effect from the cool tone, but I am keeping it nice and low in my crease. This brush has that dome blending brush, which just helps keep the shadow more precise, and it's easier to get into these smaller crease areas. So just blending out. Take your time. I am an over blender. I love blending. I can blend forever. I prefer a much more blended look than an under blended look. And I'm just gonna sit here and blend these out. And I'm loving the way my crease is just so defined with the cool tones and the warm tones. It's just like the perfect mix here. Alright, so now I'm going to take the shade Winter. This is like a grayer, you know, like a gray taupe shade. Same brush, and I'm going to apply that to my outer V. I hope I don't regret this. I think it's gonna look fine. I just want to make this like cool toned, dark outer V area. It's blending out really easy. Gray tones can be a little hard to blend out, but so far, so good. I'm actually gonna go ahead and mix in the shade Legacy. I feel like I always use the same shades whenever I'm using this palette, but I can't help it. They're the shades in the palette I like the most. So I'm just gonna like mix those together. I got this gray, cool toned look happening here. It's a little patchy right here. I don't know where that came from, but all right. Then I'm gonna take an ARIEL A29. It's a domed blending brush just like that. Take the shade Confident. Just the deepest dark brown in the palette. And I'm just gonna blend that out along the outer lash line here. Just like adding some real smokiness to this. Hopefully blending out that patchiness that's right on the side here. I don't even know how that got there. Just keep on blending. Like that. And shade Manifest. This is like creamy, beautiful. This, I don't even know, I've never dealt with a shade like it, but it's definitely creamy. So I'm just gonna go in here with my finger and just pat it and create that nice smoky look. And I'm gonna blend it over the brown a little bit. It is truly like a cream eyeshadow. I hope I wasn't fraying when I was doing that. See how I'm like patting on top of the dark there, and then patting it over here, going a little more. It is a truly beautiful, beautiful neutral shimmer. Like that is my kind of eyeshadow shade. See how sparkly that is? So stinking pretty. Wow. Okay. Off. I'm just gonna go in Blood Mousse finger and just like tap it here to get some little extra sparkle. Like that. But I want to go back in and make sure it's really like there's those two tones there. Perfecto. Gonna go back in with the A29 by ARIEL, the shade Confident, which is that dark, dark brown shade. And just define this a little more. It's like a gold goddess smoky eye. That's what it feels like. And I'm actually gonna drag that down here. I go in with the Morphe A11, which is that blending brush we went in with all those warm tones. Best Self. I'm gonna take the shade Best Self. I'm gonna blend out the inner part here. So I do want to keep this nice and warm. Look at that. Look how she just warmed right up. Oh my gosh, I love these eyeshadows. I'm telling you. I wish I could wear something like this to work, because I totally would. Just like nursing, like you can't just like do that. But I wish I could. Trust me. It would be insane. I feel like my wrinkles got the dark shadow in them. Now they're all defined. Just super annoying. That's okay. Look at that. I just love this look. I love it. I highlight my inner corner with like a warmer highlight. So I'm going to go in with this Tarte Exposed highlight. This used to be like my absolute ride or die inner corner highlight. And I'm going to take the Morphe JH38. I'm going to tap that here into my inner corner. Whoa. Kapow. Did that change this look or what? You know, I don't even know why I do this. It's so not me, but I am going to highlight my brow bone with a little shimmer. I never really do that, but there's just something about this look, especially because it's like gold goddessy, you know? I got a little shimmer up here on my crease and I want that gone. I don't know if I'm able to do it, but do you see this glitter? That was not part of the plan. I don't even know how it got up there, but oh, just take a moment for that eyelid. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some nude eyeliner. I'm just gonna keep the vibes of opening up my eye. This is the LA Girl Super Bright, Super Affordable Nude Eyeliner. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. So there's that. Ooh, yes, that opened up the look a lot. I'm going to apply Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes, my absolute favorite, and some of these Falsy Lash Lift Mascara by Maybelline, and I will be right back. Alright guys, that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.